head on over to ASCAP.com. On the home page, in the middle of the screen, you can either click on Music Creators to get started or join ASCAP now. I'm going to use Music Creators. I write, compose, or publish music. Click on that link and it'll take you to the next page. We're going to click Join ASCAP today. Click the button, Join Now. This takes you to the membership page where you can join as a writer and a publisher, a writer or a publisher. Click on Writer, then Continue. You'll come to the page titled General, and we're going to answer those questions. Are you currently a writer member of a different performing rights organization, PRO? This tutorial is assuming that you're not, but if you are, let's say you're a member of BMI or CSAC, then you'll need to click on Yes. We're assuming that you're not, so we'll click on No and continue filling out the rest of the application. We're going to enter your name exactly as it appears on your tax return. Please do not use special characters, so put your first, middle, and last name. You will also enter your suffix if that's applicable to you. Enter your date of birth, the month, the day, and the year. You'll enter yes, I'm a U.S. resident, or no, I am not a U.S. resident, followed by your residential address, the country or territory where you live, your street address, zip code, city, and state. Next, you're going to put in your tax identification number, which would be your Social Security number or your individual taxpayer identification number. That ITIN number is a tax processing number that's issued by the IRS for individuals who aren't eligible for a Social Security number, such as a foreign national or a non-resident alien. But they are required so that they can file certain federal tax or information returns. No person should have both numbers, one or the other. So enter in your number, then enter a valid phone number and a valid email address. After the email address, you can check the box if you'd like to receive news and information from ASCAP. If not, just leave it blank. Next, you're going to select the genre of music that you will be writing, and you will enter any stage names, aliases, or alternate names that you use. You have an opportunity to enter up to 3. Otherwise, you can just put your name if you just go by your name. Continuing on to the next page, would you like to enroll in direct deposit? If so, click Yes. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to click Yes to enroll in direct deposit. So check the box, which will allow you then to enter your banking information. You're going to enter the name of the account holder, put the name exactly as it appears on your banking account, enter the bank's name, put in the routing number, the account number, and the bank account type, checking, savings, etc. Next, you'll enter a royalty address if you would like the royalties to be sent somewhere other than your residential address, then you'll put it in that box below. This would be specifically for those who do not choose direct deposit. Either way, you'll still need to put it in. Your residential address will appear, but if you want to add a royalty address, just click the button there and add it. Continuing on to the next page, there'll be a page there where they've generated a W-9 form based on the information that you gave. So be sure to scroll down and read through it and make sure everything's okay. If you've been notified by the IRS that you're currently subject to backup withholding, then you need to check that box there under certification instructions. Click Continue to go on to the next page. Here is the account creation page. You'll set up your username and password, and once you do that, you'll have your login credentials where you'll be able to go and manage your ASCAP membership. So go ahead and put in your username, and then once you do that, they're going to check to see if it's available. If not, you'll just keep doing it until you find one that will work, and then you'll enter a password and verify that password. Click Continue. Be sure to read the warranties and representations. Check the box that you acknowledge that you've read and you agree to those terms. After you've done that, there's another box for you to check whether or not you want ASCAP to represent you for home recording rights. I would advise you to do so, and if you would like to learn more about it, just click on the home recording rights and it gives you information right there. Sign your name, your electronic signature. Click I am not a robot, put in whatever they ask you to do there. Make sure everything on the page is correct. Review it, and then click Submit. Once everything has gone through correctly, you'll come to the Congratulations page where you are now officially a member of ASCAP. You'll see your member credentials, your member ID number. Then the next thing that you need to do is to activate your member access. Give it a few minutes and you'll receive an email from ASCAP, which you will follow the link, and then you'll be able to sign in with the credentials that you put in the information, your username and password. Your membership access portal will allow you to manage all of your works concerning ASCAP, whether it's to register your works, view your royalty statements, edit or update your profile, or change addresses, or whatever you need to do in order to manage your catalog. Let's take a quick look around. I'm going to head back over to ASCAP.com, and on the left side of the page, click Log In. Once you do that, I'm going to click on Music Creators Login. This is the member access area. Put in your name and your password, and you can see on the left-hand side of the screen where you have options that you can choose from. So once you sign into your account, feel free to explore, look around, and get familiar with the account. It's possible that inside of your account may look just a little differently than mine. This is my publisher account. It starts out on the dashboard screen, but you can choose messages if you want to contact them, or if they have sent you a message, you can check there. There's a tab for your earnings. You can look at your statement, your tax forms. There's a tab for your works. That's where you would register new songs to put in your catalog. There's a profile tab with your personal information where you can change or update as needed. Explore the benefits tab that let you know all of the benefits that come from being a member with ASCAP. And once you've done all of that, this is where you will want to begin to register your songs and all of the information concerning those songs, especially right before you're getting ready to release a project or a single or an EP or a full album.